Good morning, guys. It's already 11:50, almost 12 at noon. So this is my lunch. My lunch for today. I have black rice. I have fish. This fish I bought it in the supermarket. Those in boxes already half cooked and just cook it at home a little bit. This is codfish. And I have nilaga, a Filipino dish. It's a soup dish with lots of vegetables and a little ground beef. I put broccoli, carrots, and I put sweet potatoes, black pepper, and salt. So this is my lunch. Black rice. I always eat black rice. They said it is healthier than white rice. So the fish, I love the fish. I bought it because it's a codfish. It's a kind of white fish. So, yummy, yummy. Let's eat lunch.